Hi guys, I'm back. This is Dipen from Pune, and today I've got the SVS Motoworld quick spin, the tire roller, a replacement to our traditional paddocks. I mean, you cannot say a complete replacement. There are many things that a paddock can do, like if you want to take the wheel off, this cannot help. But when you're traveling, when you're on the move and you want to get your wheels cleaned or chain lubed or chain cleaned and then lubed, then this would come quite handy. So jumping straight to the product, they started something new on this. As you guys know, they were earlier with the Exil silencers, and now they're venturing into new products, and this is something first that is going to come out. Okay. So basically they're calling this a tire roller, and apart from the few advantages that apart from many other rollers available in the market, this got a good ramp first of all, so any kind of bike can climb up on this. So I've tested this product already on 4 of the Benellis, my own TNT 600, then the TNT 300, TNT 250, and the latest 302R. So this particular models, the 4 models, have good range of tires, which will help you match your current bike tire and decide whether you go for this or not. I would be coming out for videos with testing this on my Dominar too. Right now it's at Autolog, gone for a new paint job and some tank shrouds and all. So once my bike is back, I'll be making a video on the Dominar too. Now coming straight to the advantages or why you should go for this product. First one being it has got a good ram out here. I mean, and as soon as you get on the ram, the tire starts rolling up and rests in between. Now you must have seen, you can see easily there are 4 holes provided here in the product. Why this way? So instead of making multiple sizes, like a small size for a smaller size tire, a medium size for another size range of tires, and a large one for another set of tires, SVS went ahead and made a single product, okay, which would be compatible for most kind of tires. So like I said in the beginning, I tested it on 4 tire ranges. So if you have a smaller size of tire and you want this to be smaller, you can easily take the nuts off from both the sides, rearrange them on the smaller holes, okay, and start using for your smaller bike or the bike with a smaller tire. But if you have a little larger tire, you can have the first roller, the climb roller, on the first hole, and the second roller, the one which has got knurling. I'll come back to this point. The one which has got knurling, you can put it on the second mount. And if you've got the biggest of all, like something like 600, a TNT 600, or a tire size which is there on the TNT 600, if you're somewhere close to that, you can put it on the last one. So one roller would be compatible for multiple tire sizes. Now what's the advantage for you in that? I mean, many would not have multiple bikes. I do have a Dominar and a TNT 600, but many would not have. Would have only one bike, like a Dominar or a TNT 600, or at max 2-3. So this would be advantageous when you're on a move, you're with your group, and it has got multiple bikes in that, multiple brands in that, which have got multiple tires in that. So one product from you, this piece from you, would be helpful for all the bikes out there. Now, as I said, I tested on the 4 Benellis. I've tested this already on the 4 Benellis. The link would be there in the description section. You can watch out for that. And we were out at a picnic today, or a night out, where all the Benellis were there. And this one piece I tested on them, as if I wanted to change you or do some settings. So that's how I was able to explain how that video would explain how one product would be helpful for all. Now in some time I will show you what the weight is and what the dimensions of the product are. So when you need to travel with it, it would be helpful for you, so that you come to know what the sizes are, how you will be able to keep it in your saddles or sack packs and travel with it. So in some time I'll continue with that. First thing that I'm going to show you now is the weight of the product. I have a small weighing scale at home. I'm going to be using that. So let's check what the weight is. And it shows 1755, like almost close to 2 kilos, but it is 1755, as you can see in this one. I hope I've been covering it clearly. So I did carry it, like I said, I was out on a picnic on a night ride. I did carry this in my sack pack, and the sack pack was on the shoulder, but I didn't feel much weight. Maybe because it was spread and there was other things too, and I'm used to it. But it's sleek enough. It's sleek enough to slide in anywhere on your backpacks. So next thing what I would do is, as I said earlier, I would be giving you the dimensions of each of the part. Okay, so I'll continue next in some time. So coming to the next part, checking the dimension of the product. Got a regular measuring, carpenter measuring tape in house, so I'm using that to check out the dimensions. So the width is approximately 8.5 inch from one edge of the nut to the other. That's for both front and back. Okay, so that is approximately 8.5. You can take it as 9. Okay. The height, I would say, is approximately 8 inches. Okay, you can see here it is approximately 8 inches. So 8 by 9 would be the dimension. Then the vertical height is approximately 2 inches. This is how I can show you approximately. This is 1. And then taking the vertical one, not vertical, cross one, it is approximately 11 inches. Okay, here if you see, it is approximately 11 inches. It's between 10.5 and 11 inches. Now coming to the biggest tire size setting that I've done. It is 6 inches wide, and from midsection to midsection it is approximately 4.5 to between 5. So we can take 5 inch. So this broader tires can get inside this and wait. So I hope these dimensions help you. This is the longest dimension I told you, and the smallest between the two. The smallest one in between is like 3 inches. That would work for the KTM 200 tires or tires like Apache. Now the Apache does have, the RTR does have a side stand, a main stand, but the RR310, which has got a smaller section tire, that will be helpful for this too. I will be testing this on Apache RR310 too. So I'll be testing on as many bikes as possible I can get them, and as and when I progress, I'll be posting the videos. Now coming to the advantages, like I showed you the weight, I showed you the adjustments that can be done on the four nuts, 4 sections that are provided here, 4 holes that are provided here. The main thing that stands out in this product, apart from the other rollers or G rollers or tire rollers available in the market, is the knurling done out here. Now, the advantage that I saw with the knurling is, in many of the videos you must have seen from various providers, that you need to keep the tire on the leftmost side, because once the tire starts rolling, it slides out and moves to the center. If you kept the tire here, it slides out and come on the center. But in this one, wherever I keep the tire, whether it's landed up here or in the center or on the extreme right or on the extreme left, wherever, the tire did not lose the grip. I mean, in my next videos that I put up, you will see that the tire is in place. So it did not slip left or right. So this knurling done on this second roller, not the first one, this is the climb part, this is the second roller, second side. This gives it a adequate grip. So once you rotate the tire in the tire rotation direction as shown on the bikes, on the tire marks, if you start rolling in that, the tire would not slip left or right. So that is the biggest advantage, and you feel that the bike is standing sturdy, it won't fall off. You don't see chances of tire slipping and falling off. So this is about the product. The MRP is going to be 2,500 in the market, but there surely will be discounts. The first 50 customers are going to get a free Motul chain lube along with this product, and we've already got around 10 to 15 bookings. I showed this product in the Dominar group, in the Benelli group, and people are already interested in purchasing. So we've got around 14 bookings in 2 days already pre-booked. Price is not out yet. We're expecting somewhere around 1,800 to 1,900 or maybe less than that. But there's going to be a chain lube free in that. As I said, a Motul chain lube is going to be free. So this is about the product. There are going to be two colors. One is going to be the KTM orange and one this black one. I'll leave pictures again of the KTM orange after this video. I'll have a small slideshow in it. I've taken some photographs with my TNT 600. Apart from that, as I said, there would be links to the testing done on other Benellis apart from my 600, the TNT 300, 25 and 302R. So please do watch that video too. I'm not wasting much further time, bringing this video to the end. Please do let me know if you have any questions regarding this product. I'll leave the link for the Facebook page of SVS2 in it. I'll leave a contact number if possible, if I get it from them, and if permissible by them. So if you've liked this product, please do hit the like button. I mean, the way I've covered the product, do hit the like button. Do share it ahead with your friends and groups, my usual dialogue that I have, so that they do get help out of this, they do get good use of this product. Friends and groups, share it ahead as much as possible. And if you're watching it for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button. Do hit the bell icon also. I've got a lot of products lined up coming in a few months. I'm not actually getting time to roll them out all together. So I'll be rolling them, 1 or 2 products each week. Many new videos also coming up for DIYs. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. This is Deepen from Pune. Thank you.